Hi, good afternoon. My name's Peter Lennon and I run a marketing consultancy called Consultus Marketing. And we're here to help small businesses with digital marketing and also businesses that have physical premises as well. And the subject of today's video is using an example to evaluate promotions and what level of sales uplift would you need to achieve according to the different type of promotions you'd be intending to run. And I have three scenarios here. So we're just taking the example of a business that I used to be involved in the hair care and beauty sector in 2018. So these are just example numbers here for today. So there's three scenarios. There's a red scenario, which is where you're not making enough promotional uplift to offset the discount in the product that you've created since you put it on promotion. You've got the next scenario, which is an amber scenario, which is you are potentially going to make profit, but you may run out of stock. And you've got the green scenario, which is you are going to make profit and you do have enough stock to run the promotion. A lot of this is around forecasting and understanding what your normal level of sales would be in the period that you want to run the promotion for, and what your best guess forecast would be in terms of the unit volume uplift that you think that promotion will make for you. So let's go through the example. So we have an argan oil hair care product here. The normal price, which we call the base price, is £15 and the normal cost price is £5. So that won't change in any scenario that we talk through today for the promotion. Therefore you'd make £10 gross margin each unit you sell. Which is 67% gross margin on your base price. However, this is where it gets interesting. If we decide to do a third off promotion, we will sell the product for £10. Each unit we sell, we will get £10 back. The cost price is still £5, so we'll make £5 in cash profit for each unit we sell. So that means the margin, the gross margin, is less now, but we're achieving less on a sales price. So we achieve 50% margin, which is a depth of product discount of 33%, so it's a third off promotion. We'll keep the numbers quite simple. So we'll say the base volume. So normally, let's just say in a month or a week or whatever it is, even if it's a day promotion, you sell 1 unit. So that's your baseline volume. The gift with purchase is 0, so we're not given any free gifts, so we don't need to calculate into the reduction in margin any sort of gift. So it may be like a free bag or a free hairbrush. You'd obviously need to take that off your sales value, because you'd be giving that away for free and there'd be a cost associated with it. So we're saying in the baseline scenario you'd make £15 because you sell one product, 1 unit, and you'd make £10. But if we look at the promotional volume, when we say we forecast to sell 2 products on the first scenario here on the promotion, so that would be 200%. So it'd be doubling basically your normal level of sales. So if we work this through in the example, if you're selling 2 products on promotion and your cost price is £5 each product, but you're selling them for £10 each, you'd make £10 in margin. But if you only had 1 product that you sold, but you made £10 in margin, as we spoke about before, you'd be no better off. So you would have to question whether it would be worth running that promotion or not. So the promotional revenue would be £20 and the total promotional margin would be 10. So you'd sell 1 extra unit, but you'd be working not to make any extra profit. So your incremental revenue would be £5 because you're selling more but for less money, but you're making the same margin, so your incremental margin is the same. And if we look at the stock position, we can see in this scenario you've currently got 3 units of stock that you anticipate to be available when the promotion starts, which is a cover ratio of 150%. So you've got units that are available to be sold on promotion. You can cover that through the stock position that you've got. So this is a break-even scenario. In the next scenario, you can see all the things are the same in terms of the base price. We're still going to run a third off promotion, but what we're saying here is that we forecast that we're going to sell 4 units on this promotion. So it's a 400% uplift on the normal baseline sales. Each one's going to be sold for a tenner, so you've got £40 in promotional revenue. And each one makes £5 profit, so you're making £20 gross margin profit, which is good, and incrementally you're selling 3 extra units, so it means that you're getting £20 in profit versus your normal £15, and you're making £25 incremental revenue versus if you just sold 1 unit at £15, and you're actually making a small profit because you're selling units, 4 units, each one at £5 profit. But normally if you just sold 1 unit, you would make £10 profit. But because you're selling extra incremental units, you're ending up with £5 incremental profit. And your stock position, however, though, is only 3, which means 15% less stock is available than what you need to fulfill the promotion. So this is not a good scenario. So that should be enough. So you've not got enough stock. The next scenario is the golden scenario in terms of you've got enough stock and you're making money. So in this example, all the fundamentals about the base price remains the same. You're doing a 33% off, so you're making 50% gross margin. But this time, you're still selling, you still anticipate to sell 4 units on promotion. So you're making £40 in promotional sales and £20 in promotional margin, which equates to you're still making an extra £5 incremental margin and an extra £25 in sales turnover. But now you've got enough stock, because you've got 5 units in stock, so you now have enough stock to cover the promotion, which is the scenario that you want. You want to make sure that you have enough stock when you intend to run the promotion to fulfill the demand, so you don't want any non-availability for customers, and you want to make profit. So in this scenario here, it's a good scenario because you make an extra profit and you've got enough stock to cover the promotion. I hope you enjoyed today's small seminar in terms of how to develop promotional evaluation and forecasting to make sure that if you're going to discount your products and promote them, but you make profit, because there are a lot of scenarios where actually you'll reduce the price and you end up losing money, particularly for small businesses, or you don't have enough stock and then you have all sorts of issues around that as well. So if you like today's scenario, please contact us through the channel and let us know what other topics you would like us to cover. And also, if you want any help with your business, be it online or be it a physical store, more than happy to help and more than happy to develop these templates for you so you can use them in your business. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.